Imagine standing outside your home staring up at your roof, unsure of whether it needs repairs or a complete replacement. What if I told you that the key to making those decisions lies not just in instinct, but in knowledge? In today's world, where information is at our fingertips, roofing webinars have emerged as a game changer for homeowners seeking clarity and confidence about their roofing needs. We are bighomeprojects.com. We built a directory to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and help contractors find work. Let's explore how these innovative platforms revolutionize customer education, empowering you to make informed choices. Number 1. Enhanced customer engagement occurs in webinars. You get to interact directly with roofing professionals, asking questions and participating in polls. This dynamic atmosphere not only makes learning enjoyable, but also fosters a sense of community among attendees who share similar roofing concerns. Number 2. Real-time problem-solving transforms the way you address issues. During a webinar, you can present your specific roofing dilemmas, getting immediate solutions from experts. This instant feedback helps you leave with actionable steps to resolve your problems and reinforces trust in the roofing company. Number 3. Detailed product demonstrations shine a spotlight on various roofing materials and techniques. You can see the installation process, understand different product benefits, and grasp maintenance methods. This first-hand knowledge equips you to make informed decisions about your roofing options. Number 4. Personalized advice from experts is another significant advantage of webinars. You describe your unique situation, and experts tailor their guidance accordingly. This individual attention showcases the company's preparedness and expertise, further building your trust. Number 5. Cost-effective training means you can access valuable information without the burden of physical venues or materials. This affordability expands the audience reach, ensuring that more people can benefit from professional insight without financial strain. Number 6. Building brand authority happens naturally when companies host informative webinars. By consistently sharing valuable insights, they position themselves as leaders in the industry, attracting customers who seek reliable service providers. Number 7. Data-driven insights emerge from analyzing webinar participation metrics. Companies can identify common concerns and preferences, tailoring future content to meet your needs more effectively. Number 8. Networking opportunities abound for both customers and roofing professionals. You can connect with peers facing similar challenges, while professionals can network with industry experts, creating a collaborative environment that enriches the learning experience. Number 9. Flexible learning options make it easy for you to revisit recorded sessions at your convenience. This accessibility encourages continuous learning, ensuring that you can absorb valuable information even if you miss the live event. Number 10. Increased customer confidence arises when you receive detailed educational content through webinars. Knowledge about roofing intricacies empowers you to make informed choices that align with your long-term goals, boosting your confidence in both current decisions and future interactions with roofing companies. As we dive deeper into the world of roofing webinars, consider how they reshape your understanding and approach to home maintenance. The more knowledgeable you become, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the complexities of roofing decisions. Don't miss out on this opportunity to empower yourself with knowledge. Visit bighomeprojects.com, where we connect you with trusted local contractors and offer resources to enhance your roofing journey. Your home deserves the best. Let us help you find it.